Dear Kavog Luxurious, charot. Ngayong araw na ito, Keme! Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung mga bags natin. Yes! Malakas baka MMK yung atake natin today. Yes! You know what I'm saying? Nakikita nyo naman ang gaganda ng mga indalot natin. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Alam ko na naghahanap kayo ng mga pamalengke ninyo. Ano ba yung mga pwedeng ipamalengke? Siyempre, hindi naman kailangan naka-Chanel kayo, mano. Naka-double flap. Charot. Dapat naka-indaloop kayo. Yes! This is the indaloop. I have 4 available here and I hope you find. Bahala kayo. Basta ito, mami, in excellent condition siya lahat and these are all amazingly stunning. This is the black gold hardware. Full set siya, kasama po ang box and dust bag. Wala lang siyang receipt. We're just selling this for only 275,000 pesos. O, diba? Mura. Kasi ang brand new niyan sa store, mga mami, ng mga indalop, 300,000 up po. And the condition of this is amazing. And of course, the other one is the orange color, the trademark of the Hermes. Yes, that's true. This one is in palladium hardware. Full set din siya. Mas mura to, 235,000 pesos with dust bag and box din siyang kasama. Okay. And next in line is the sought after gold on gold in palladium hardware. We're just selling this for only 265,000 pesos with box, dust bag. That's it. And next is the beautiful Sakura Pink. Yes. Ito lang yung medyo mataas sa kanila, no? I think no explanation just because of the color, the condition. It's Sakura Pink. Yes, everyone dreams the Sakura Pink. This is rare to find, rare color, and at the same time, mahirap din i-source tong color na to. And we're selling this for only 288,000 pesos. Would you imagine? Amazing! So kung nakahanap ka ng pamalengke mo, mami, eto na ang sign because hindi na pinag-iisipan yan at hindi na pinapatagal. Just DM us here at Kavog Luxurious and there you go. Tara na't mamalengke. Kavog.